Hi everyone, and welcome to my first proper video on this channel. And in this video I want to talk about the two main obstacles that most commonly stop people either from getting started with meditation or from keeping up with the practice. And they are busy minds and not having enough time. So I'm going to start with the busy minds. There is a misperception out there that when we meditate, our minds are going to be completely still. And then when people try it, that's not their actual experience. Now, meditation is a process of quieting the mind, but the mind won't be still for very long. And when we're meditating, it's normal for our minds to keep wandering off. The point of the practice is to notice when it has wandered off and to make a decision to bring it back to whatever your point of focus is. For example, a mantra or your breath. And it doesn't matter how many times you have to repeatedly do that during your meditation. That is the whole point of it. So it doesn't mean that you're not doing it right or that it's not working for you if you find that your mind keeps wandering. We just have to make our peace with that and continually recommit to bringing our minds back to the present moment. Now, the second issue is time. A lot of people believe that in order to be able to meditate properly and to gain the benefits from it, that they need to meditate for 20 or 30 minutes or longer every time that they're meditating, and to do that twice a day. Now, in an ideal world, 20 minutes twice a day would be a wonderful practice. However, it doesn't work for everybody. We all have different schedules. And the thing with meditation is that the benefits accrue gradually over time. So a bit like a physical fitness regime, you're not going to go to the gym today and be fit tomorrow. It happens gradually, and to maintain the benefits, you also have to keep up the practice. So even if you're only doing 5 minutes a day, you will benefit from that if you do it continuously. It might take you a bit longer to notice, but the benefits will be accruing, and if you stick with it, you will start to notice them. The other thing is that for beginners, 5 minutes can be a really good way to start off, because when we're meditating, we release stress from our physical body. So a lot of the stuff that we have been suppressing, it comes up for release, and there can be some physical and emotional discomfort when our body releases that stress. So in order to do so gently and in a way that's not overwhelming, starting with shorter sits like 5 minutes or 10 minutes is a good path for beginners to take. So with all that in mind, there's no need to be put off if you think that you are just too busy. Just find 5 minutes somewhere in your day and give it a go. Ideally find a pocket of time where you can get that 5 minutes more or less around the same time every day, because then you can develop a habit around it. So I hope this has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and if there's any other concerns that you'd like me to address in future videos, let me know about that too. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll be back soon.